Happy Tuesday, 7th grade. We are moving on. Lesson 7 today. We talked about addition. We talked about subtraction. Now we're looking at them together. So lesson 7 is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So it says find the following sum using a number line diagram. We have negative 2.5 plus 5. So we're going to go from 0. We're going to go down to negative 2.5. Now I realize there's not halves, so we just guess. And then we're going to count up 5. So we go from negative 2.5 to negative 1.5 to negative half. Now it's 2 to half, 3 to 1.5, 4 to 2.5. Which now I changed this on here so you can see. Okay, so we go negative 2.5 to negative 1.5 to negative half to half, 1.5, 2.5. So our answer is going to be 2.5. What about this one? We're going to start at 1. Well, start at 0 like we always do. Go up to 1. Then we're going to count down negative 2.25. So we go to 0 is 1. To negative 1 is 2. And then we go 1/4. So it's going to be negative 1.25 for our answer, okay? We also have some that might be set up like this without a numbered line. So I want you to work through these on your own and then hit play when you're ready to see the answers, and we'll see how you did. Be careful because the second one does have a decimal in it. Okay, so we have negative 6 plus 5.25. Well, we know that the answer is going to be negative because 6 is bigger. So we're going to have negative 1.25. Here we have 7 plus a negative 0.9. And actually, I apologize because I wrote it wrong the first time. So it's 7 minus a negative 0.9. So if you got this one wrong, don't worry about it because that's on me. We actually have 7 plus 0.9, which equals 7.9. And the last one here, we have half minus the negative 3. So we know that that's going to be half plus 3, so 3.5. That's it for your lesson. Kind of a short one. Rewatch it if you need to. Ask me questions if you need to. Ask me for extra practice if you need to. Otherwise, your only assignment is to complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 7. Make sure you're reading each question carefully and reading each answer option carefully too. Have a great Tuesday.